This is a shark. It swims in the ocean.
This is a whale. It is very big. This is a whale. It is very big. This is a dolphin. It can jump high. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. This is a sea turtle. It swims slowly. This is a jellyfish. It floats in the water. Is a jellyfish. It floats in the water. This is a crab. It walks sideways. This is a crab. It walks sideways. This is a lobster. It has big claws. This is a starfish. It has 5 arms. This is a seahorse. It has a curly tail. This is a clownfish. It is orange and white. This is a common stingray. It glides in the sea. This is a squid. It swims very fast. This is a squid. It swims very fast. This is a seal. It likes cold water.
This is a sea lion. It barks loudly. This is a walrus. It has long tusks.
This is a penguin. It swims well. This is an eel. It has a long body. This is a swordfish. It has a long nose. This is a tuna. It swims in a group.
This is a salmon. It can jump in water. This is a salmon. It can jump in water.
This is an emperor angelfish. It has pretty colors. This is a pufferfish. It can puff up. This is a manta ray. It has wide fins. This is a sea urchin. It has sharp spikes. This is coral. It lives in the ocean. This is a shrimp. It is very small. This is a clam. It has a hard shell. This is an oyster. It lives in a shell. This is a mussel. It sticks to rocks. This is a sea snail. It moves slowly. This is a blue-legged hermit crab. It lives in a shell. This is a narwhal. It has one long tusk. This is a beluga whale. It is white. This is an orca. It is black and white. This is a manatee. It eats seagrass. This is a dugong. It likes sea plants. This is a sea cucumber. It lives on the seafloor.
This is a lionfish. It has long fins. This is a barracuda. It has sharp teeth.
This is a cod. It lives in cold water. This is a sardine. It swims with many fish. This is an anchovy. It is a small fish.
This is a grouper. It has a big mouth.
This is a sea otter. It floats on its back. This is a horseshoe crab. It has a hard shell. This is a sea sponge. It lives on rocks. This is plankton. It is very tiny. This is a sea anemone. It has soft arms. This is a swordtail fish. It has a long tail. This is a flying fish. It can glide over water. This is a cuttlefish. It can change color. This is an anglerfish. It has a small light. This is a hammerhead shark. It has a wide head. This is a great white shark. It has sharp teeth.
This is a whale shark. It is very large.
This is a moray eel. It hides in caves. This is an electric eel. It lives in rivers.
This is a giant squid. It has very long arms.
This is a nurse shark. It rests on the seafloor.